All right, today I'm going to be doing a comparison video on this by Oventi and this one by MegaWise. These are instant water boilers, and I've put 2 cups of water in each of these. So you can see there's some clear differences. On this one here, you have a much wider opening, which is going to make it easier to fill and easier to clean. And it's also glass versus like a plastic here, which, you know, there are some good things about this. It's going to be easier to travel. This is a little bit like, looks a little bit nicer, I think. But, you know, it's just a kitchen appliance. It doesn't have to look that nice. You also have a larger max. So this is max of 1.8. It won't even focus on that, but that's max 1.8, and this is max 1.7. So you get a little bit more out of this. And you'll notice the cord is also thinner. On the MegaWise, it is thinner, and the cord's a little bit thicker on the Oventi. So we can see the wattage draw. I actually have them plugged in to a power station here. The MegaWise is only a 2-pronger, which I think that's a little, you know, worse than having 3-prong. So far I'm liking the cord in this. I mean, this is going to be much more resilient over time, although we've had both of them for a long time and they're working great. I don't expect this to be able to handle both of them at once, but let's just see. The wattage output on this one is around 1100, and the wattage output on that one, let's turn this off so we can see just that one, is a little bit less. So technically they should equal together, right around there. And man, is that sucking some power. These things use a ton of power. I'm gonna see which one boils water faster. Should be the MegaWise though, because it's using more electricity. And to make this a little more fair, we're gonna actually switch the MegaWise onto the main circuit because we're actually maxing out the wattage on this. Okay, I can already hear both of them are starting to boil. It's gonna be, whew, I can see some bubbles in here, and there's gonna be some bubbles forming in here. It's gonna be a race to the finish. I think it's not 100% accurate because I did unplug this one for like 5 seconds, but it's pretty darn close. And now you can see the wattage output has actually gone up on this device, so it's going to be boiling even faster. All right, they're both boiling water. I mean, almost an indistinguishable time difference. So I think at this point, just on the style, you can pick whichever one you like. They're basically very, very similar. I think, this one just shut off. This one should be shutting off very shortly here. This one also does have the larger, thicker power cord. So I do like that with the 3-prong with the ground. I think that's a little bit safer. And, but yeah, they both work great.